With sheer practicality and very balanced weight management, backpacking gear item can effectively enhance anyone's adventure. And with some new innovation and their practicality, some backpacking gear can make anyone experience their journey from a different angle. Thus, in this video, we've discussed how those outstanding backpack gear can change your perspective.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Nuvo, a revolutionary device to make water pure and drinkable on a backpacking trip. Having such a tiny form factor, anyone can think of it as something gimmicky, but in reality, it uses highly effective UVC rays to constantly purify your drinking water. As a result, users get to enjoy fresh and clean water without worrying about any kind of nasty bottle smell. With this gadget, easy mounting option, effective purification, and fantastic versatility, everything comes together. SpotX may look like one, but it isn't one of those old-school Nokia phones, but it's a satellite communicator and positioning system to keep you on track. This revolutionary device is an all-in-one satellite messaging option to maintain communications with the outer world, even from the most remote places. Then comes its navigational features like a compass, tracking, and GPS to prevent its user from getting lost. Still finding things unfamiliar? Then its SOS button is a last resort, ready with a 24/7 search team to save the day. Meet the Interstellar Bivvy, an innovative 4-season shelter from Outdoor Research to make a backpacking trip more minimal. Now, unlike carrying a one-person tent on a backpacking trip, this bivvy sack provides you that perfect shelter with fewer hassles. Made with waterproof materials, users won't have to worry about adverse weather conditions, while a breathable mesh will keep them sweat-free in summer. So forget about carrying extra bulks of individual sleeping gear with this Interstellar Bivvy. Salomon Outpulse is a simple and comfy pair of shoes that will keep your feet happy on a backpacking trip. Proper foot protection and cushioning offers sufficient support during adventures. And new technology like fused surge foam, reverse camber, and contra grip rubber outsole are also introduced to maximize their effectiveness. Last but not least, SensiFit technology cradles your feet with a wonderfully secure fit when you're on the run. Go Find Me GPS is another tracking device with fewer complications. Unlike SpotX, it uses a mesh networking system to keep your team members together. This may not be as effective as a satellite communicator, but it surely serves primary purposes like off-grid messaging, geofencing, and one-button SOS. Such a wide range of mesh connectivity makes it more practical for a large group of backpackers. Etherlight XT, an ultralight sleeping pad from sea to summit to support anyone's back after a long backpacking journey, featuring different sizes. This sleeping pad weighs from 16 to 24 ounces. As a result, users won't have to worry about carrying a heavy load on their backpacking trips. Innovative features like Ekin Platinum make it more comfortable, while its quick and easy inflation can reduce your hassles. Effectively illuminate those nighttime backpacking sessions with this Phoenix HM50R V2.0 headlamp. Its Cree XP G3 S4 LED can deliver 700 lumens of super bright performance, ensuring proper clarity of your way as far as 377 feet. Worried about rough uses? Well, its 6061 aluminum body and IP68 rating will make sure it works appropriately underwater while preventing excessive dust from going inside. This is the Columbia OutDry X Rain Jacket, a perfect one to stay prepared for any adverse weather condition. Made out of 100% nylon, this jacket can effectively prevent water from getting inside. At the same time, its seal seams with OutDry Extreme feature makes it breathable enough to provide proper comfort. Then comes its superior adjustability, underarm venting, and PU vision zipper for a better overall experience. So that was our video on how these outstanding backpack gear can change your perspective. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.